In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Mautic. We'll walk through logging in, creating a new campaign, building the flow with a trigger and an action, and configuring the email sending details so your automation runs smoothly. Start by opening your Mautic login page in your browser. Enter your email and password, then click Login. If you see a different homepage layout, that's okay. Mautic themes can vary, but you'll always find campaigns in the main navigation. Click Campaigns to open the campaign dashboard, then click New to create a campaign. Give your campaign a clear descriptive name so you and your team understand its purpose at a glance. Add a short description to capture the objective or audience, which makes maintenance much easier later. Click Save to create the campaign shell. Next, click Launch Campaign Builder to open Mautic's Visual Builder. You'll first choose your contact source. You can feed contacts into the campaign from a segment or from a campaign form. Pick the option that already contains or will capture the contacts you want to target. For this walkthrough, we'll add a trigger that responds when a contact clicks a link in any SMS. Select the decision for clicked link in an SMS and click Add. This gives you a starting point that reacts to engagement. Now click the plus icon beneath that node to add what happens next. You can add a decision, an action, or a condition. Since we want to send an email when someone clicks the link, choose Action. Then select Send Email. Give this email action an internal name so you can identify it quickly in reports and future edits. Choose when to execute the event. Immediately is a common choice for timely follow-ups, but you can delay if your strategy calls for it. Next, select the email you want to send. If you've already built your email in Mautic, pick it from the drop-down list. Select the email type, marketing for promotional content that respects subscription preferences, or transactional for messages like confirmations that must be delivered regardless of marketing consent. Set the priority level to control how the job is queued if you run many automations at once. Then configure the number of attempts so Mautic will retry sending if there's a temporary delivery hiccup. When you're done, click Add to place the action in your campaign. Finally, click Save to store your campaign. You can stop here or continue building by adding more actions, conditions, or additional decision paths to refine the journey. That's the core setup. Log in, create a campaign, define your source and trigger, add your email action, tune the delivery settings, and save.